Hello and welcome to this tutorial, configuring Calic penetration environment in VMware. Well, this is a series of tutorials, and I'm gonna be the tutorials that I'm gonna be doing are how to install Ubuntu server. This is the first video, and this is what I'm gonna do. Later, I'm gonna do another tutorial on how to install Metasploit. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not. Metasploit. Then we're gonna install Windows 7. We're gonna finally install Calic Linux, and basically that's just gonna be a series of tutorials and a playlist that I will create, and then later we'll get more in depth with other different technologies that Calic can do. For example, we're gonna be able to do different attacks on Windows 7, uh, and also we're gonna be using network discovery tools like SCAPI, RPing, Nmap, Net Discovery, and many others. We'll begin by installing the Ubuntu server. So go File, New Virtual Machine, typical, recommended. Then I'm gonna browse for my virtual machine. I have it here somewhere. Here it is, Ubuntu server. Open. Go next. It's gonna say Ubuntu server. And the username is gonna be Ubuntu, and let's say Ubuntu user, or let's say user 1.1, so we'll know. Password, you just do password. Next, Ubuntu, okay, next. Maximum size, that's fine. Split virtual disk into multiple files. Yes, that's like I say, just use default. So nothing important. If you guys need space, you can just lower down the memory. That's all. It's just whatever you guys need. You can delete it, so it's not a big deal. Finish. That's a good thing about the VMware, that you don't have to do much to it. It'll do everything by itself. As long as you input a username and a password, you'll be okay. So it says easy installation, so it's doing that. There's some things you're gonna have to add yourself. Okay, now you just have to do is put your user and your password, and this will appear. Now with this, of course, there's not much you can do since it's not a graphical interface. So let me show you a couple of different things you can do with this. So let's try to see if we have internet. All right. First of all, we got this connection here, this Ethernet connection, or in this case ENS33, which I prefer it to be Ethernet 0, but there's a way we can change that, and I would demonstrate that later. Right now we just want to see that we have an address, which we do. We have the broadcast mask, but everything is configured correctly. So let's ping Google. Let's make sure we have internet connectivity. Okay, so we're connected, so that's good. And like I said, VMware does almost everything. This won't stop. You have to stop it with yourself by pressing Control C. But as you can tell, it's replying. So that's how you install it. Like I said, VMware does it, but it does everything automatically. So the only thing you need to make sure to do is put your user and your password, and it does it. Now, if you're using a different virtual software, then of course it's gonna be different. But VMware Player is free, so you should be able to get it, download for free, and I put the link to the download, so you guys can just click on it and download it from the website. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next tutorial. I will be installing. Let's see. Here we go. I will be installing the Metasploit. So yeah, thank you for watching.